In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal business account activity. If you want to review recent payments, refunds, transfers, or general transaction history in your PayPal business account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you're on the main dashboard. This is useful if you want to quickly confirm account movement, keep an eye on incoming and outgoing transactions, or just make sure everything in your business account looks correct. To begin, make sure you are on your business account dashboard. This is the main area you see after signing in, and it gives you an overview of your account along with access to important tools and account sections. Starting from the dashboard makes navigation easier because everything you need is already organized in the side menu and overview panels. From there, look to the left-hand pane and click on Activity. This section is where PayPal gathers your account transaction history, so it's the main place to go whenever you need to check what has been happening in your account. Once you open it, you'll be able to move from the General Activity view into a more complete transaction list. Next, select All Transactions. After choosing this option, you'll see all of your transaction activity displayed in one place. This can include payments received, payments sent, refunds, transfers, and other account-related movements depending on your account usage. Reviewing the All Transactions section is especially helpful when you need a broader view instead of only looking at recent or filtered activity. You can also go to Business Overview to see activity. This gives you another way to monitor what's happening in your account, especially if you prefer to view account movement from the Overview area rather than going directly into the full activity list. The Business Overview can be helpful for getting a quick snapshot, while the Activity section gives you a more focused transaction history. That's all there is to it. As you can see, checking your PayPal business account activity is straightforward. Just open your business account dashboard, click Activity from the left side menu, select All Transactions, and review the details there. If needed, you can also use Business Overview as another place to view activity. Keeping an eye on your account regularly is a good habit, especially for tracking business payments and staying organized.